Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, long time no see. I wanted to pop on this morning and share with you some cards that I made recently. And then I'm also going to show you my newest kit from Annie's Card Club. So these are cards that I made using that Annie's kit from a couple of months ago. I tend to just keep a table out in the living room when I am short on time, and sometimes in the evenings I'll sit and create for a little while. So these are what I have gotten done recently. And I don't know if you can see like sequins that are on these and just a little bit of shimmer, but these were a lot of fun. This was just a stamp set of individual little pieces, and you just created these kind of symmetrical designs with them. So I haven't done this kind of stamping before. I thought it turned out really cute. The punch outs that are in the center of the cards or in the designs, those were included in the kit too. I have a ton of them left. So at some point I'll probably go back and do some more, but I just thought you might like to see them. They turned out really, really fun. So I think I mentioned before that typically the inks that come with these don't bring me a ton of joy. So I do tend to use my close to my heart inks for these. But the stamps did a pretty good job. There's always some ideas. So this one had, ideas that looked at least similar to these. And then I just kind of went off of them. I didn't want to do multiples of the same card, so I just did them all a little differently. So those were so much fun. So just a quick share with that. And let's see what I've got to play with for this month. So here's my kit. This came a couple days ago, and I just have not even had a chance to open it. So we are going to explore it together. I don't even know what's in here. I really do love getting my little monthly shipments of things. It's like a little happy surprise in the mail. So let's see what we've got. Ugh, something gluey. So I'm going to set these aside and we'll take a minute and just see what the booklet looks like, because this is always a really good indicator of what's inside. So this month's is called Birthday Fun, and they look like they're maybe a trifold card with some different little folding on them. So that'll be fun. It's always neat to learn a new technique. I like that. So yep, there'll be lots of scoring and doing some different cutting, it looks like, and then using the different pattern paper to create little designs on them. This is going to be fun. Be a lot of layering. It looks like this is not a month that's going to have stamping, but I'll double check that when we go through the supplies. It'll be more of the folding technique. Yeah, these are cute. Okay, so let's see what all this month's kit came with. So we've got some like jewels, adhesive jewels, little pack of ribbon. These look like my envelopes. So looks like a pretty standard envelope size this month. And it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 cards this month. These are my card bases. Oh, so these will be interesting. It looks like they are pre-scored. So that'll save a little bit of time. So I don't know if you can see this. There's a score line here and a score line here. And there's 4 of these turquoise ones. And then, oh, look at these. The ones that are going to have those pop-outs that I was saying there's going to be some cutting. They've done it. That's awesome. So it'll just be folding on this, all of the provided score lines. So that's here, here, along here, here, and then here and here. Haha, those are going to come together fast, but you'll still know how to do it for future cards. So that's cool. Oh, hey, there are stamps. So we've got some number stamps. These are hard to see in the package. Let me pull them out. So number stamps, party, sparkle, celebrate, make a wish, enjoy your special day. So there's a few more on there, but that is the stamp set. There we go. You can kind of see it better there. And then, all right, what do we got? Got some bright green cardstock. We've got the punch outs for embellishing. So that's upside down. So there's 2 of this sheet. Nice bright colors. These are going to be fun. Okay, so 2 of that, and then 2 of these. And I tend to save my extras. These could be fun on just a scrapbook layout or additional cards. Obviously, you end up with way more than you need for just making 8 cards. So with a little bit of your own supplies, you can just expand this out. So nice bright orange cardstock, a sheet of white, and then these are thinner paper. So we got turquoise with the purple dots. Ooh, look at how fun that is. Woohoo, fun for the eyeballs. A really neat kind of mosaic, a stripe, and then this purple pattern, and this one. So everything you need and more to get busy creating this month's really fun cards. So just a sneak peek. I know some people are always, keeping their eyes open for different clubs and subscriptions. So this is one I've had a good time with, and I just thought I would share it with you. So that's Annie's Card Maker Kit of the Month Club. That's the one that I got for September. So whatever you guys are up to, I hope that you're having a good time. I appreciate you popping in to see what I had for you today, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.